once you solve the whole cross, make sure all these sides colors match up with the center. Then just turn the cube upside down. So now I'm going to teach you an important sequence of 4 moves that will help you to solve all the corners. So just hold the cube like I am and follow me. Right side up, push with your right hand. Right side down, push with your left hand. We are also going to learn how to do that with our left hand. Left side up, push with the left hand. Left side down, push with your right hand. So once you can do both of those, we are now going to solve the rest of the white side. So what you do is to look at the top for a corner with white on it, such as this one. So this white, green, orange, and this green, orange, white. So it goes to here. So do that with your right hand to insert it. You may need to do that 1, 3, or 5 times. So it happened to be solved. And here's another example. This white, green, red, and this here is white, green, red. So this piece goes here. So move it to where it should go. And since it's on the left side, do this with your left hand. And it happened to be solved. So sometimes the corner is already in the bottom. So do the same 4 moves until so that you can take this out. And now it is up. So now this white, blue, red, and here's white, blue, red. So it goes to here. And here's the last one. White, blue, orange, white, blue, orange. So this piece goes here. Move it to the top and do the same 4 moves. And so now all the corners is solved. And so here's the example solved. So here's white, blue, red, and it goes here. So move it till it's on the top and do the 4 moves. And here's another one. This white, green, orange, and here's white, green, orange. So move it till it's on the top and do the 4 moves. Here's another piece. White, blue, orange, and here's white, blue, orange. So since it's on the left side, do it with your left hand. And here's the last piece, and it should go to here. Move it till it's on the top and do it with your left hand. So all the right side is solved. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to teach you how to solve the second layer. If you want to watch this video, click here.